Hey there, Heather Freeman here with the Painted Playground. Welcome. I get to teach women how to have fun painting. And just getting started here. Just want to grab a sip of my tea. And I'm painting a little rainbow this morning. I've got some of my favorite colors out and some of my favorite brushes, a few square brushes, different sizes, and one pointed paintbrush, a very small one, because I'm doing this little heart in the center, this way, in the center of my rainbow. Started out with a sketch of my rainbow, and let's see, the next color I want to lay down is this sweet orange. I need to mix up a little bit of color here. So when you pop on, let me know where you're watching from. And I just wanted to get on today and paint a little sweet rainbow. And also say that, no matter what's going on, no matter what's going on in your life, I know these are interesting times, but I really hope that no matter what, you make time for the things that make you happy, for the things that bring you joy. So if you're just joining me, I'm Heather Freeman. I'm going to scooch this way, figure out which way I need to be here, and just painting a little rainbow. Just one stroke there. I'm just going to leave that. Let's see, the next color I want to do is a little blue. So let's see, but I like this blue, but I kind of want to play around with mixing these two and see what happens. So kind of got a darker shade here and a lighter blue, more of an ocean blue. There we go. And I do have a, you might hear her painting. I've got a little studio guest this morning. Zoe is doing a little painting project, and she's learning that the splatter effect can get messy. Do you want to say hi, Zoe?
No.
Oh, you don't? Show them your project.
You can see a project.
Yeah, can I show them your project? So I'm so fortunate to get to have Zoe. Can you come around and I can't seem to scoot. You want to show? Doing some splatter paint jeans. So hanging out with me in the studio this morning, just super fun.
Oh.
So let's see. So just you need to think about how hard you're doing it if you don't want it to splatter too far.
I'm thinking about my face.
Okay. So yeah, I like that blue. I'm going to lay this one down. Just really load up my paintbrush. Make a nice big arc. Rainbows, rainbows make me happy. They're one of those things that are unexpected, right? After a storm, after it rains, when you get the surprise of a rainbow, I find it's always one of those moments where I'm like, makes me stop. It's not every day a rainbow comes out, right? I love rainbows. I don't know if you've ever seen a double rainbow. I've seen a double rainbow once or twice. That's pretty amazing. So let me know if you've seen a double rainbow. Let's see, and then the next color I want to do, I think I'll do my yellow. I think I'm going to move up paintbrushes, make this one a little thicker. And I'm just I am using more of a wet paintbrush because I really want to be able to move that paint around. Hey Betty, hi to you. Nice to see you here. Painting a rainbow today. It's one of those simple things in life that can bring a lot of joy. So no matter what's going on in your world, I really hope that you make time to do the things that you love. Whether it's painting or taking photographs or drawing or playing with clay. Do light pink. Just want to mix in some pink here. I really hope that no matter what's going on, that you make time to do the things that you really love. And maybe it's being in the kitchen and cooking something fun. Whatever that may be. I hope you make time for it. I'm going to go over my yellow. Need a little bit of white here. Just to darken it up a little bit. To color and shade in my background. And I'm going to do, maybe play around with my blue. Get in all the way around the edges. Just painting a simple, happy rainbow this morning. So tell me, I'd love to hear, what are those things that you love to do? Is it painting? Is it cooking in the kitchen? Is it going for walks outside? What are those little things that bring you joy? Needing some more white, I think. There we go. Lay in the background. Just get around the edges. And I love just, mixing these on straight on the canvas. It's fun just to play around with how those colors come out. I love getting the different texture of mixing it straight onto the canvas. It's not a solid color. You gonna say hi?
No.
Oh. You look like you're gonna say hi.
No, I'm just,
Zoe keeps sneaking in over here.
just looking.
Whoops. Got into my pink a little bit. I got a little crazy right there. So let's see. Let's add some cute little dots here. bring this rainbow to life. A little bit more. So just a few colors, a few minutes at the canvas, and you can paint something you love. Dots. I'm going to add a different size dot. It's so much fun just to play around with the tools that you have. Use them. There's just so many ways you let yourself play around and discover. You love to paint, Betty. Yeah. Right on, Betty. Yeah, there's just so many different ways that you can use the tools that you have. You don't have to have much to paint. It's really not about what you have, it's about how you use them. All right, so I've got my little rainbow. Amy, hey Amy. So no matter where life takes you or what's happening in your world, I hope you do make time for doing the things that you love and doing the things that make you happy, whether it's painting or, hanging out with your kids or going on walks or cooking in the kitchen. I hope you make more time for the things that make you happy. So have a great day, and I will see you all next time at the canvas. All right, bye for now.